Welcome to Kai Digital Media, where we empower creators. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the speed of your clip. So as you can see here, once I press play on this clip, on this timeline, you can see that it's a little sped up, and that's because I have it at, I think, 200%. So basically what you want to do is you want to right click, you want to go to speed/duration, and then as you see, I have it at 200. I'll change it to 100 just so you can see what it looks like normally. So normally it was just a little slow there, but compared to when I change it, speed duration, and go to 200, as you can see, the clip gets shorter and it seems like a lot faster. Now, one thing you want to kind of make sure of when you're doing this is that, let's say if I was choosing this middle clip right here, if I wanted to just change the speed of that, what I would do is I would go to right click, speed/duration. Let's change it to 50% so we can see it get slower. But then also you want to do ripple edit so that once it actually, let's change it to make it faster. So when I change it to make it faster, you want to do ripple edit, because if I were to change it to make it faster, it's going to shrink the clip, but the clip next to it won't connect. So ripple edit is just going to shift that clip that is on the outside and connect it to your clip so you don't have to do it yourself. So then let's press OK, and as you can see, kind of my timeline moved, and let's zoom in, and as you can see, it's connected, and this clip is just slightly a little faster. Another way you can do this is simply by just going over here to the rate stretch tool, but what you want to do is click and hold, and then you would want to go to the rate stretch tool, because you also see ripple edit and rolling edit. So you go to rate stretch, and if I were to shorten this clip, that makes it quicker. So as you can see, let's go back to this clip and see it's even faster. But then if I were to stretch this clip out, it would make it that much slower. So as you see, it's not as fast as it was before. That does it, and thank you so much for watching the video.